Hi, this is Richard from oneclearmessage.com. If you want to do amazing presentations, stop boring your audience, have a little fun and inspire your audience, pay attention to the following tips. Are you tired of presenters turning and speaking to the screen, reading every boring word on their presentation instead of preparing properly, insulting your intelligence by reading what you can read, if the font is large enough, and doing it poorly at that? Plus, they're not even facing you as they've turned to read. The average PowerPoint slide is 40 words. That's not a PowerPoint slide. That's a document. Microsoft comes out with Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Word and PowerPoint are not the same. PowerPoint is an audio-visual augmentation of your message. Word is a document. Psychologists talk about the picture superiority effect, PSE. What this speaks about is the impact of using pictures to augment memory. If you put the word bird on the screen, about 10% of your audience will remember the concept or idea. If, however, you put a picture of a bird on the screen, more than 65% of your audience are likely to remember what you've said and relate it to the image. This is the way our brains are wired. And please, when you're doing presentations, use high-resolution images. You can get royalty-free high-resolution images from places like Photostock. Low-resolution images look tacky. Don't use them. They also look unprofessional and can dilute your brand as you present. Presenters' tools are useful for delivering a presentation which has more impact. Instead of putting all of your notes on the screen, put them in the notes section of your presentation. Using Presenter's View, as you can see on the screen now, enables you to see the slide that's on the screen, the slide that's coming up, and your notes at the same time. This enables you to have reminders of what to say while you engage the audience. A great tip for presenting when you have to step in front of the screen: push B. That blacks the screen and enables you to step forward without the light shining on you. The next tip is, when you're designing your presentation, write it out first. Work out what you're going to say. Have a message, something that you want the audience to remember. Then create the slides. Most of us, when we're feeling a bit lazy, create the slides and then work out what to say. What this does is it dilutes your message and creates a confusing presentation for the audience. Steve Jobs spends almost 40 hours designing his presentations before he creates the first slide. The next tip is to be a speaker. When the audience is sitting listening to you, they want to hear you speak. They don't want to see you read what's on the screen. PowerPoint should augment what you say rather than be what you say. Finally, end with a call to action. Just because they're sitting listening to a presentation, it doesn't mean they're coming to hear you speak. There should be a reason for the presentation, a call to action. What I want you to do is put these tips into action and contact us if you want more tips and training on how to be a better presenter. Thank you.